Hello, you awesome people. This is Ramesh, and you are watching TechProwess. Today's video is going to be something very special, wherein I'm going to share with you top 5 fastest growing new programming languages which has created a lot of buzz in the recent years. Even if you are a beginner or a seasoned professional, it would be a good idea to know about these languages. So make sure that you watch the video till the end, and without any further delay, let's get started with the video right away. So at number 5 in our fastest growing programming language list is Kotlin. Yes, when it comes to native Android application development, Kotlin is emerging as the preferred choice of language amongst Android application developers. And one interesting thing is, in 2019, Google has announced Kotlin as their preferred choice of language for Android application developers. So that could be one of the reasons why Kotlin is becoming more and more popular amongst the developer community nowadays. And let's now talk about number 4 in our fastest growing programming language list, and at number 4 is Go. Go is a Google's baby, and it is also known as Golang as well, and developers generally say that Go is a new C of 21st century when it comes to syntax. Additionally, Go provides automatic memory safety and effective concurrency support, to name a few cool features of Go language. Go is pretty versatile language, and it could be used for system programming as well as network programming, and it also has prominent usage in web development space as well. Additionally, Go can be used in the applications involving big data and machine learning. Go is pretty much easy to understand and easy to use, and that could be one of the reasons that it is becoming more and more popular amongst the developer community in the recent times. So with that said, let's now move on to our number 3. Number 3 fastest growing programming language in our list is TypeScript. Technically, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, and it extends JavaScript by adding additional optional types. And the cool thing is, developers can do the mix and match of both the languages, and with the additional features provided in TypeScript, it helps developers to create the large-scale JavaScript applications for any browser, for any host, on any operating system. So that could be one of the reasons that it is becoming more popular in the developers. So that was TypeScript at number 3, and we are coming towards the most interesting part of our video, and we are already at number 2, and the second most fastest growing programming language in our list is Dart. Yes, Dart once again is a Google's baby, and it's a client optimized programming language for building mobile applications on multiple platforms. Although it can be used for developing desktop, server and web applications, however, in my viewpoint, it has gained more popularity because of developing awesome UI designs for iOS as well as Android application with a single code base with the help of Flutter SDK. And yes, Dart is a perfect candidate for mobile application development paradigm's future. And the cool thing is, as per 2019 GitHub October's survey, Dart has been ranked as the number 1 fastest growing programming language. Super cool, right? And we are about to talk about our fastest growing programming language in the list. So without creating much of a buzz around that, let me tell you which is our fastest growing programming language, and that is Rust. Rust is a system programming language, and I would say Rust is a new C++ of 21st century when it comes to syntax. Rust is a perfect candidate for developing gaming engine, file systems, operating systems and browser components, and its robust performance makes it as a smart choice for creating and developing virtual reality simulation engines. Rust is a multi-paradigm programming language which focuses on performance, type safety, interoperability and guaranteed memory safety. And the most amazing thing about Rust is it has consistently maintained a first position as the most loved programming language for the last 5 years in Stack Overflow Developers Survey. Isn't that cool? So yes, the ever-increasing popularity of Rust programming language makes it a perfect candidate for our number 1 fastest growing programming language. And with that said, I would like to conclude the video over here. I have shared the top 5 fastest growing programming language as per my viewpoint. I hope you would have found the video as useful. And if you like the video, do give a thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video, do give a thumbs down as well. And it would be great if you could share your feedback in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button right out there. And I'll see you in the next video, and that is going to be an interesting one as well, so make sure that you watch that. So see you out there in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy programming.